Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange.
Qt PDF Writer. It is a free application which you can use for convert any printable document like Word, Excel and web documents or any image file to a PDF file. It is a very simple and easy application. Let's start install it in our PC and check. Here is the link. You can check it out my description box and you can click here to download. I have already downloaded the application. Here let's start install it. Accept, then do next, install. You need to click here yes. For this you need internet to download the writer. It will take little time, depend upon your internet speed. Now the application is ready to use. If I want to convert this web page to PDF, I need to press Ctrl and P. Here you can select Qt PDF Writer, then give the print. Then you can save your file anywhere, wherever you want. Okay. This is the PDF file which we have converted. Just double click on that to check. Open. You can see it is converted the whole page to PDF. Now you can try this application in a PC. It is free. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.
If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.